Hi, this is Anna with WTI, and I'm here to talk about these beekeeping gloves. So with these beekeeping gloves, they're made of goat skin, which gives it a really supple, gentle feel of the leather. It is made beautifully to still allow you to be able to grab things if you're moving the frames in the beehive. They truly are expertly tailored. The size I bought my son is an extra small. They fit his hands really nice. The sleeves, which are attached to the leather, they go all the way up his arm to keep it protected. And it does have an elastic cuff at the top of the sleeve to really ensure that no bees will go in. So if you're getting into beekeeping like we are, I highly recommend these Humblebee beekeeping gloves that are leather, nicely stitched, and that's my point of view.